What's up, y'all? We're going to do a quick little cold start of the Durango. Yeah. Now this thing has a issue with the bad batteries from time to time, so I got me a brand new jump box. So yeah. Oh, we gotta lock it to unlock. Huh? Unlock so you got power. Yeah, the buttons are backwards. But yeah, I got tired of jump starting vehicles using the battery and jumper cable, so I went out and bought me a jump box. Finally. Alright, so let's get to it. It's a 99 Dodge Durango with the big 5.9, 360, whatever the hell you want to call it. We got lights. See what it does. Come on. There we go. Battery's getting weak. Fired it up though. I know the starter's starting to go. So I guess we didn't need the jump box after all. Yeah. That's good. Check engine light's new. Yeah. There it is. She's running. Blow it up, I don't care. Yeah. The Durango, I have done some work to it last week or something like that. It has all new back brakes. Talking brake pads, wheel cylinders, hardware, everything's new in the back. Also did the exhaust. Of course it's straight piped. There's no any other way you can have a four-wheel drive. Give her a quick little rack. That's the only way a 360 should sound. And it actually has good working brakes again, which is nice. Yeah. Yeah. It's not spinning the tire anymore, which kind of sucks, but what to do. Whoa, shut the door on me. That could have been good. This thing back in reverse. Oh, damn door's gonna get me again. Alright. I guess we're about where we were before. Worms and shit. Yeah. Let's say eventually we'll get this thing back on the road, as if we don't decide to sell it. Still gotta do, I bet that's wiggling, oh hell. Still gotta do ball joints, tire rod ends, wheel bearings, all that on the front end to rebuild it. And a few other things, probably a starter's acting up. Yeah, and it definitely needs a tune up. It runs good though. Yeah. And definitely need some tires. So yeah, I'm gonna go four-wheeling again. I miss doing that. So yeah. Yeah. Still rigged up. Cheap stereo. Yeah. There we go. Get my key. Alright, get my jump box. Yeah. Yeah. As you can tell back here, new parts. Lots of new parts. rockauto.com. Shut this door. Now, again, we have to unlock it to lock it. Yeah. It's all backwards. So, yeah. I'm going to do a quick little cold start of the 99 Dodge Durango just for fun. So, later y'all.